Hey there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard and I'm coming to you from a place that I've made a few videos before. And I don't need to remake these videos, but I want to talk about the dumbest casino promotion I've ever seen in my life. And this is not just me, this is other gamblers that got this promotion too. And we were all like, what the fuck? It's right here. And I went personally to the casino manager and I said, is this correct? Did you really do something this dumb? So I'm on the Carnival celebration in front of the Empress Casino. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to respect there are no cameras in the casino policy, but it doesn't mean I can't stand in front of the casino and talk about something. Here's what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about what I got on day 3 of this cruise. Day 3 of a 7-day sailing, I got a letter in my cabin. I will be putting this letter on the screen, if I remember, in the edit, and it says, Carnival Players Club, dear Richard, you're on your way to 500. 500? The hell is 500? I don't know why they don't write dollars. You're on your way to 500 in free play, just by playing your favorite slot machine. Accumulated grand total, I had at this time about 4,500 points. Accumulated grand total, sorry man, of 7,000 points by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday. I'm just shooting something right now. On Wednesday, May 1st, 2024, and unlock a 500 Fun Play Award. I don't know what a 500 Fun Play Award is, but here's what happened. I got to those 7,000 points. When I got to those 7,000 points, the next day it gave me $500 in free play. I took that $500 in free play, ran it through the casino. Halfway through the cruise, I made $507. I was up. You know what I did? I took this piece of paper, I washed my hands, and I said, I'm not going back in the casino the rest of this cruise. I mean, yeah, I'll go through there to get a drink or something, but I've not gambled since the casino gave me $500 free dollars. Nor have a lot of other people on board. Yeah, people know No Pants. I don't mean to hate on adoring fans, but I got to get this one done. Yeah. I used this $500 and I literally went last night. So we're on day 7. I got this on day 3, completed it on day 4, cashed out $500 in free play for $507 in cash on day 5. And there's no reason for me to go back in the casino. Day 5, day 6, day 7 of a 7-day cruise. Thank you for giving me an additional $507 in money. But overall, this is literally the dumbest casino program, the dumbest thing I've ever seen. I will tell you, I talked to the casino manager, talked to the casino host. They tried to explain it to me last night. They go, yes, this promotion is to try and get you to the next level. I go, cool. If you know anything about the casino points on Carnival, what you want to get is you want 1,000 points per day. If you get 1,000 points per day, they're going to do you well. You're going to get your next cruise in the balcony cabin with drinks on us everywhere and everything like that. That's not advertised anywhere. What I'm telling you right now is things I've tested. I have a friend who I brought on board. He got to his 7,000 points. I think it cost us a total loss of about $400 to get to 7,000 points. Remember, that $400 loss is going to get you three $3,000 cruises. So you can come on the celebration in a balcony cabin. And actually, probably $4,000 cruises. So it's $12,000 worth of things for a couple $100 lost. Now, here's the funny thing. I'm not going to explain to you how he got all those points, nor how I get all my points. Why? Because I like to be able to get my points for a good deal. And if I've put it for thousands of you to see, I can't do that. But if you see me in real life and you want to know, I'll sit down with you. I will show you how to turn free play into cash. I'm on ships all over. I'm going to the Miracle in Alaska, back on the Celebration in June. Oh, sorry. We're doing a little dance. I'm in a crew corridor because I'm trying to not be in the casino right there. Back on the Celebration in June. I'm on the Horizon all the time. Celebration, Mardi Gras. Back on the Dream in January of 2025. But it's not. I will talk casino strategies with you till I'm blue in the face, but I can't do it on the internet. So yeah, that's a promotion that stopped me from playing in the casino for the last 3 days of my cruise. And you know, I am a good gambler. What does being a good gambler mean? It means when you make money, what do? you leave the fucking casino. I made money. And on top of the money I made, they gave me more free money. And I said to people last night, I said to the host last night, I said, so you gave me free money mid-cruise, but you don't want to give me more free money to continue playing. Well, I'm going to stop playing. And I was told earlier in the cruise that this is one of the first times they've done this promotion. I like it. Look, I put an extra $507 in my pocket, but it's made me not want to play. Just so we can break down a little bit more, so you know, 1,500 points on a sailing of 5 days or more gets you free drinks in the casino. Will also get you, I'm telling you, this Carnival doesn't want you to know, the casino's right there. It gets you free drinks in the casino while actively playing during that sailing. We'll get you free drinks in the casino while actively playing right away. So it's from the 1,500 points right away on your future sailings. And we'll get you some low-end Carnival cruises, being the 4 or 5 day. You can go on Conquest, you can go on Freedom. That shit lights on fire, smells like poop. You know, there's a lot of stuff like that. If you really want to go on Celebration, Mardi Gras, Jubilee, Horizon, Vista, Panorama, you want to get that 1,000 points a day. There are efficient ways to do it. You know what's not an efficient way to do it? Playing blackjack. Because, I mean, I played blackjack, poker, all those things like that. I got 407 points over the cruise there, and I got over $7,000, 7,000 points, not dollars, 7,000 points. So I got 407 points doing table games, and I got 7,000 points doing, I'm going to give you a slight hint here, doing table games that run on slot machines. Could be video poker, could be video roulette, could be a lot of things. Could be video baccarat, could be video blackjack. I'm just saying there's a lot of ways, but if you know how to play those games effectively, you can get points and you can do well. And I hit some real nice numbers there, and you know, you throw it along with that. Remember, I've made some shorts that hold up. The best way to get comps really easily is just 70 spins. If you're on a 7-day cruise, 70 spins at $10 a spin on a Wheel of Fortune, you're gonna get comp cruises like a motherfucker right out the eyes after that. This is Richard from No Pants Profits, standing here in front of the Empress Casino, not wanting to break that threshold. Oh, also one other thing, remember, you should buy all of your gambling money on AARP. You can get gambling money at a 10% discount to cash on AARP. Which is one of those things you're just like, yeah, what is he talking about? Wouldn't it be nice if I made a whole separate video on how to buy Carnival gift cards on AARP and then load them into your casino account, and it just so happened to be linked at the end of this video? Go overwatch that. This is Richard from No Pants Profits with the worst casino program I've ever seen on and off a ship saying, well, fuck, we got you for 3 more days, but we don't want you to play anymore because we're not going to give it anymore. Questions, comments, anything like that, drop them in the comments below, or Richard at nopantsprofits.com, nopantsprofits@gmail.com. They will all eventually find their way to me. And remember, when you win a casino, the first thing you got to do, get the fuck out of the casino. Oh, wow. Bye.